LeetCode 125, valid palindrome, only considering letters and digits and not caring about case. And since our input is going to be ASCII only, it doesn't matter if we convert everything to uppercase or convert it to lowercase. So for simplicity, um, it, it doesn't really matter. But for a general purpose, we should really do a proper case folding, which applies even to Unicode characters. And so, a famous sample text is a man, a plan, a canal, Panama, as in like the Panama Canal. And this is a palindrome because we got a man, a plan, a canal, Panama. It's all very nice. So this whole thing we can write as a single tacit function. It's not even a train. Let's try this. Ultimately, what we want to do is we want to check if it's the same when reversed. But before we do that, we need to pre-process it to remove all the punctuation and spaces and normalize the case. So, if we just do the intersection with the uppercase alphabet and the digits, then we end up only A and P. If we pre-process the arguments to the intersection with the case normalization function, the case folding function, then we get this whole thing. And then on that result we get here, so that it calls for a top operator, we want to do a match to see if they're the same. Before we do the match, we want to pre-process just one argument, pre-process the right argument with a reversal. And then we want not to apply this function with one argument, we want to apply it with two arguments, though we only have one. So we use the commute operator to also use the right argument on the left. And we can see that this is indeed a palindrome. If we try another one is a race car, it's the palindrome. But if we say a race car, it's not a palindrome.